Hi guys, so today we're going to read a article in our Scholastic Super Science, and we're going to read about animals that have come back from the brink of the endangered list. So we're going to go over our vocabulary first. The first word that we're going to come across is endangered. It's right here in our story. The next word is extinct, habitats, and breeding. I know a lot of these words you guys have seen before. If we go to the next page over here, we have captivity and poachers. Words to know down here in our vocabulary. Our first word is endangered, and it's in danger of becoming extinct, usually because of human activity. So animals are hurt by humans, human activity of destroying where they live, hunting them. Our next word is extinct, no longer having any living individuals. An example of extinct animal would be a dinosaur. We have habitat, the area in nature where an animal or a plant normally lives. The habitat of a deer would be a forest. The habitat of say, a lizard might be in a desert. Breed. That means to keep animals or plants under control conditions so they can produce offspring. So a lot of zoos have breeding programs where they have animals mate in order to have new animals so that the breed's not considered endangered anymore. Captivity, the state of being kept or cared for by people, such as in a zoo. So we have one of the best zoos in the United States called the Cincinnati Zoo, and those animals are in captivity. Poachers, a person who illegally hunts animals or collects animal products. So poachers, for example, you see this rhinoceros right here. Poachers might kill the rhinoceros in order to get its horn. And that's something that is illegal, and it's also something that hurts animals. And you can see right here where the poachers have cut off the horn from the rhinoceros. We're going to investigate the article before we read the article. So we're going to come in here and look at some of the animals and some of the pictures that we're going to be reading before we do the reading. The first animal that you see right here is a manatee. A manatee is an ocean animal, and it was considered endangered because of polluting in the water, and also because of being overfishing in some areas. So this is a Florida manatee right here. You can see the scars on this manatee, and they were caused by spinning boat propellers. Okay, up here, this is a New Forest burnet, which is a type of butterfly, and you can see they had some. It was endangered and now is on the way back. I'm going to go to the next page of the article and see what other kind of animals we're going to read about. This is a blue iguana. This is on its way back because of this is actually a blue iguana's egg, and you can see reptiles again. Reptiles have kind of eggs that are dry and kind of speckled. Then the bald eagle, and the bald eagle is an animal in the United States that has had a lot of programs run to kind of keep the bald eagle back in. And that's a biologist that's right there working on tracking the bald eagles. I know how many are actually active and where they are at in the United States. And then if we go down here, this is the rhinoceros. And these are animals that are found in Africa. Okay, so that's our pre-read. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and start reading the article.